Hey, welcome to my Honda Element. Here I'm going to be showing you my build today, just kind of what I put together off of a few other YouTube videos I watched, and kind of show you what I came up with. You know, a lot of the pieces weren't in store for me to buy, so I kind of had to just put things together with how I found them. I went off of some of the ideas I found, but came up with my own thing in the end of the day, so I'll give you guys a tour. So this is the captain seat. Main things I have up here is just a charger, aux cord. Don't have much. I got napkins in here, my AirPods, and this thing's great. It's what I use for my phone and GPS. It's really worked the best for me in a lot of different cars. And you do have this little compartment up here. It's not exactly a sunglasses compartment. It's a lot bigger than that. But I haven't found a perfect use for it. I use it for my receipts. And here, you just have a armrest you can put all the way up. And this passenger also has one. That's about it. It's a little chilly out here in the day after Thanksgiving. It's getting cold even up in the... I mean, I guess we're not exactly down south, but even further down south, it's a bit chilly out here. So first, we're gonna start down here. You know, I have this cut out all the way running back straight to the front column. So you'll notice it gives you a lot of space. You can practically crawl all the way in there. I mean, I practically have to pull out half of my luggage back there. So I'm not gonna do that right now. But I wanna get a drawer built, something I saw in someone else's video. Just something to add a bottom and a back to pull everything forward when I'm pulling everything out. So once I get that drawer built, I'll definitely be doing a video on it. I hope you guys tune in to see how it comes out. Now in here, I have all my foods, cleaning supplies, and foodware. So, you know, I have ramen, mashed potatoes, anything I can cook in a microwave. I don't have to cook, or I can cook in a pot or a pan. So I got my boiled eggs. I have my rubbing alcohol. It's good for cleaning, also good for getting hard stuck on stuff off. If you're just using water, which I keep right here. I use my water to just kind of wash off my dishes when we don't have running water. And just little toiletries over in this cubby. Other than the toiletries and extra water, you never know what your carrying license is going to be in some states, so I do keep some type of protection, but not always a firearm. I have my skateboard and my skate shoes in here. It's always good to have something to do, a free activity when you're on the road. See a skate park for free, or maybe even a curb you want to hit, and it's always good to have something to hit it with. Right here is where my propane grill will go. I currently don't have it with me, just because I'm staying at my family's house in the holiday. I took her out from North Carolina to Arkansas. We went to Mississippi, then up to South Carolina. After that, we went down to Atlanta and Florida. So we're just getting back for the holidays, came back in town for Thanksgiving, see the family. So while we're back, stopping back in, trying to get things more organized, see what I can get fixed up. Now, let me put this thing into a full bed so you can see how much room I have. And you can see my cute little dog here, Sugi. She's my little travel buddy, always coming with me everywhere we go. It's a little cold out here. You can tell she's wanting to stay back there in the warm car, but maybe she'll come back, say hi to you guys. Come on, Sugi. For at night, when I'm getting nice and cozy in my bed, I'll start by, on a summer day, not really now, I'll start by turning the fans on. They're both connected to this portable power bank. Just got 2 USB fans, you know, zip tied up there. You can just come in here, turn on the power, and you got a nice little cross breeze. If you're really having a hot night, and even pop this open, it's risky because of the bugs during the summer, but you can get a nice cross breeze. I've slept on the beach, a little Gulf of Mexico when I was in Mississippi. and just had all the windows open, the fans going. It was hot, but with that cross breeze and the ocean wind, you couldn't even tell. Now, last thing I need, even if it's not a hot night, I'm not using the fans, I like to just get up in bed. I'll kick my shoes off. Put them right here. Pull the gate up. Get my movies on the iPad ready. It even has a nice little stand. And set it up. Get comfortable. Even play some video games on it. Watch Netflix. Edit if I have to, but I can fully sit in here. Have my pillow. Have a pillow. Have a nice comfortable night. Got a beautiful view of the stars, and you know, what else do you need? Thanks guys for checking out my video. I hope this gave you some ideas and inspired you to do your own. And maybe it's not in a Honda Element, but even my friend's in a Chevy Blazer. Maybe you guys will check that out in the next video. And stay tuned, because the next video I do post will also be talking about how I'm able to afford to live on the road, the different things I do to provide a passive income that allows me to travel and go across the country doing what I enjoy. Hey, now I got some video games to play, so get out of here.